In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not available. If the Marketplace tab is missing, grayed out, or says it's not available right now, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes from the quickest checks to the deeper cleanups, whether you're on a phone or a computer. Start simple inside Facebook, refresh the page if you're on a browser, or fully close and reopen the app on mobile, then log out of your account and sign back in. This resets your session and often clears small glitches that hide Marketplace. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if Marketplace loads on one but not the other. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router and give it a minute to come back online. A weak or unstable connection can make Marketplace appear unavailable. If that doesn't help, clear cache data. On a web browser, open Settings, go to Privacy, and clear browsing data. Choose cache and cookies, then restart the browser. On mobile, clear the app cache on Android. On iPhone, the most effective way is to delete the Facebook app and reinstall it. This won't affect your account, but you will need to sign in again. Update the Facebook app to the latest version through the App Store or Google Play. Outdated versions can cause bugs that specifically affect Marketplace access. Because Marketplace relies heavily on your location, check your location settings. Turn on location services for Facebook. Make sure your city or area is correctly set inside Marketplace filters, and temporarily turn off any VPN. VPNs can make Facebook think you're in a region where Marketplace is limited. Before assuming it's broken, try broader or alternate search terms once you can open Marketplace. For example, instead of iPhone 11, try iPhone or Apple phone. Small changes can surface more results and confirm the feature is working. On a computer, disable browser extensions, especially content blockers. Turn them off, reload Facebook, and see if Marketplace appears. Some extensions interfere with Facebook components. Check whether your account has restrictions. Open the menu, go to Help and Support, then Support Inbox or Account Status. If there's a notice, follow the instructions provided there. If you're still stuck, try another device or a different browser. If it works elsewhere, the issue is with your original device or browser setup. If it fails everywhere, it's likely account related. Finally, it can be a temporary Facebook issue. Wait 24 to 48 hours and try again later, and keep your app updated while you wait.